All right, guys, so here we got our spiral cut ham. We have brown sugar, orange juice, and pineapple chunks. We're gonna mix all that in there and then put them right here. So I saw this recipe on Instagram and it looked amazing, delicious, and I really wanted to try it, so we're gonna go ahead and do it here. People that have tried it said it's amazing, so, and it looks good, so I'm excited to try it. So first things first, we have here a can of pineapple chunks. So let's go ahead and open that and add the whole thing. You have your brown sugar. You're gonna put probably like a 1/4 cup. Put it in there. 1/2 cup of OJ. Put it in there. Now go ahead and mix it. Now we're going to go ahead and put this on our ham. Stuff some of this pineapple in there. So we have a little bit here left. We're going to go ahead and add that as it cooks. So how are we going to cook this ham? Well, the way they cook ham is 15 minutes per pound. This is an 11.5 pounds. So we're going about 2 hours and 45 minutes at 330 degrees. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Weber. All right, our Weber is up to temp, 330 degrees. So we'll be back. All right, it's been about 1 hour. Looking good. We'll be back. All right, it's been 2 hours and 45 minutes. This looks great. Let's take it out. All right, so here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, now this smells so good. Like, it's just, oh my God. So we're just gonna cut it. Grab this piece right here. Some of those juices back in there. Oh man, this looks good. Oh, let's go ahead and try it. Not bad at all. That's pretty good. A piece of pineapple. This is really good. This is really good. Definitely will recommend trying it. Try this top piece. Nice little hint of smoke flavor. Everything's good. The pineapple, the juices and everything, it was perfect. This is really good. This is just another idea. If you guys want to try something new, this wasn't bad. If you want to try something new, this is pretty good. I like this top pieces right here. That's my favorite. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. More great things is coming. See you guys next time.